book again.
Congratulations, teachers. You found the next checkpoint. And Margaret and I are going to talk to you about ELL students, specifically vocabulary.
One of the most important things to remember when you're teaching an ELL student is vocabulary. And before you start any unit, we know that everybody posts the academic objective, but what is just as important for an ELL student is the vocabulary objective. And when we start a unit, we assume that everybody understands the vocabulary, but these ELL students do not necessarily. And so an important thing for you to do is to pick out the most important vocabulary words for that unit. You don't want to overwhelm them with too many, but make sure you pick out the important ones and then go over the definitions. Have them, a good thing to have is a vocabulary notebook, have them write down the definitions, but then to make sure these students understand, you need to go as far as bringing in pictures, acting out the word, have the students repeat the word to you using it in a sentence. You have to make sure that they understand vocabulary, or the entire unit you do is really worthless because they just won't get it. And as you go along and you use these words, stop and ask them what it means. Just make sure, ask them questions. Make sure they understand vocabulary, or they will not understand what you're trying to teach them.
And your task is to discuss how you're going to make this happen in your classroom and report to your grade level administrator before you leave here.
Email.
Email
them.
Email
grade level administrator.
The grade level administrator.
Your thoughts before you move on.
Before you move on.
Say bye.
Bye.